Hello and welcome to this video for the YourSixOS platform. In this video, we're going to talk user scopes and permissions. One important factor in this is what each scope can perform within the platform. This topic is something that you should cover by utilizing our guides, which are located within the resource section of our website. In that section, we actually walk through what each individual scope can and cannot perform. This video is designed to be an overview for you to actually see these scopes and what they are assigned to within the platform. So let's get started. To start, there are three integrator scopes: superadmin, admin, and technician. Similar is organization scopes. This is the actual end user: superadmin, admin, and user. So there are three scopes for each level. Now let's dive into the integrator scope. As you can see, the larger blue box here is the integrator. The integrator superadmin and integrator admin are going to have rights to all devices, sites, and organizations that fall under that integrator. What differs between the superadmin and the integrator admin are controls like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication, as in what they can and can't configure on those topics. But as far as what they will inherit within the platform, again, the blue box, you can see the dotted line within the blue box. That indicates that they will inherit all organizations, sites, and devices under that integrator. The next level is the integrator technician, represented by the orange box. And you can see there with the orange dotted lines around Site 1 and Site 2. This indicates that you assign someone integrator technician roles based on granular permissions. So they will not inherit all devices, sites, and organizations at the integrator. You actually give them permissions to each individual level. So you could assign someone Site 1 and Site 2, but not Site 3. Additionally, the platform does allow you to get down into device and device group permissions at even more of a granular level. So you can see that represented by the white box with the dotted line around it. As you can see, it represents either a group of devices or single devices. And so if you do want to give somebody only permissions to certain devices at a site, you can do that as well. So in review, the integrator scopes: integrator superadmin, integrator admin, large blue box here, will get all access to organizations, sites, and devices within that integrator. Integrator technicians, represented by the orange box or the white box, can have granular permissions at a site level, a device level, or a device group level. Now let's review organization scopes. Organizations are the end user. Similar to the integrator scopes, the organization superadmin is going to have rights to all sites and devices within that organization. You can see this represented by the blue box with the dotted line to the outside. That individual will have access to all sites and all devices. The organization admin and organization user can be assigned granular permissions. You can see this represented by the orange box and the white box. The orange box represents an organization admin or organization user that's been given permission at a site level. So they have access to all of the devices within those two sites you can see right there. Additionally, they have the ability to have the granular permissions at a device and device group level. That's represented by the white box. So in summary, the YourSixOS platform will allow you to have granular permissions all the way down to a single device or all the way up to the entire integrator or organization, depending on which scope you have in the platform. Again, please review our user guides, which is in our resources and tech support section of our website, to see what each level can actually perform in the platform. Things like creating devices, removing devices, creating recording rules, and adding other users. Those kinds of topics are very specific. So please utilize the collateral we have on our website.